This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Now, today we are going to see how to create a dashboard. And after that, we will start your communication management, how to go ahead and perform organizational communications, right? So I'll log into my environment, Rupam, @of115.com, password CRM12. Sorry, again, let me type the code. Right, it's CRM1234 hash. So in the previous classes, we were working on reports. We have created reports, right? We have created reports. Now, whenever you have multiple reports and you want to put them in a single place, right? For example, let's take senior management team. We call them as SMT, right? Or SLT, whatever you call it. Senior management, senior leadership team, or senior management team, right? Whenever you talk about the senior management team, right, they are the people who will be mostly using these reports. They want to see the company performance. They want to see how the company is working, how the, what is the revenue by city, by organization, by product, by, they want to have a lot of splits, right? Now, they don't, it's not that they want to see only one report. They want to see multiple reports. And whenever you want to display them in a multiple reports, right, rather than seeing the data, the whole top level management are more interested. Top level management are more interested in seeing the graphical view, because in the graphical view they can see how their company is trending. I mean, how it's moving, right? The performance, the revenue, everything can be seen together. Hence, they prefer to see dashboard. What is a dashboard? Write down. Graphical representation. Graphical representation. A graphical representation of one or more reports. Graphical representation of one or more reports. Graphical representation of one or more reports. Graphical representation of one or more reports is called dashboard. Is called dashboard. Is called dashboard. Next, the properties of dashboard. Number one, right? Properties of dashboard. Number one, right? To create dashboard, a report must exist. To create dashboard, a report must exist, right? Next, dashboard can be created from report and Visualforce pages. Dashboard can be created from reports and Visualforce pages. Second point. Next, dashboard are shareable using folder same as reports. Dashboard are shareable in folder, same as reports, same as reports. Next point, dashboard are shareable through folder, or dashboards are shareable, right? Shareable through folder, same as reports. However, the way the report is shared, the same way the dashboards are also shared. Next point, right? Dashboards are saved in separate folder. Dashboards are saved in a separate folder. Dashboards are saved in separate folder. Bracket. Reports and dashboard has separate folders. In other words, now let us quickly see. I'll start with this time I will start with Lightning. I click on App Manager. I go to any module, sales, service, marketing, irrespective, right? I click on Dashboards, right? Here is the option called New Dashboard or New Folder. Let's start with a new folder. I click on New Folder. I will say Lightning or SLT, Senior Leadership Team, LIGHT, Lightning Dashboard, Senior Leadership Team, SLT, Lightning Dashboard. I click on Save. A folder got created. Now I click on New Dashboard, right? I give a name, SLT Sales Report, Sales Dashboard. Right? Description, you can give a description, right? Complete sales picture, complete sales, something, whatever you want. Click on select folder. You can go ahead and you can click on all folders. You cannot save them in the reporting folder. Report folders are different, dashboard folders are different. It's an interview question as well as it is a certification question. Dashboard, can we save? I want to share a dashboard. Can I save a dashboard in the same reporting folder? No, we need to have separate folders. So I click on SLT1 and I click on, you can create subfolders again. As we create in the report, here also you can create a subfolders. So I can click on select folder. SLT Lightning Dashboard create. Right? We give a label. Your complete screen is divided into 12 blocks. There are 12 blocks. This is the screen size. I click on plus component. Yeah. It asks you, right? See, it's showing all the reports. So you need to have a reports first. All the report. You can choose the report folder, right? Which folder you want, right? All folders. See, these are the folders we have. Sales report, report lightning, sales 21. It's a sub report. It's a subfolder, right? It is all the folders have been seen, irrespective whether they are child folders, whether they're parent folders. All the folders are seen in a single go, right? I click on sales report. All the data can be seen. Remember that we cannot create with tabular reports, right? We can create a graph or a dashboard with a summary, matrix, join. Let me take summary. I select summary report. So before you come to the dashboard, you need to have a report. If you don't have a report, you can't create. Now you can see what is the things that you want. Click on add. You can go ahead and you can change it. Show the percentage, right? Already it's showing. So show the numbers. Show the percentage also along with, right? How many decimal places? Automatic. Sort by billing city, Chicago and everything. Yep. Complete. Position. Bottom. I want the legend position to be in the bottom. Perfect. Colors. Lights or dark. Dark color. It will give you a background. There we can choose the background. Here we can't choose the background. In Classic, you can choose the background. From the top, you can have TRS pink. Towards the bottom, you can have TDP yellow. If you remember, I was doing that, right? Once you're done, no, I don't want to create a report. I want to use the report which is already there in the chart. So you can check this if the report is available. If it's not available, then you can create here from the report. I click on add. There we go. Now you can move it wherever you want. You can drag, you can extend the way you want to put it. The way you want to put it. This drag and drop feature is not available in Classic. In Classic, the positions are fixed. Yeah, yes, you can select where you want to put, but you cannot the way, see, I can have one big like this. This you cannot do. Or I want very small. I want this much small. You cannot do this. This sizable, I'm talking about the size, cannot be done in Classic. Last time a report I started with Classic, I came to Lightning. Now in dashboard, I'm starting with Lightning, then I'll go to Classic. Vice versa I'm doing, right? So you want to add more components? More components. What do you want to add? Lightning matrix. I don't know which report is from which folder I'm taking, but anyhow, right? Chart. This is a joint report in order to use a source, right? Whenever there's a joint report, remember that a joint report should have, right? A joint report should have a graph, right? Already created in the report. Already created in the report, right? Already created in the report. See, here I'm taking from the report. Use the chart from the report. If you open this report, Lightning Sum, in the report, this chart is there. I'm using it directly from there. Simple word, right? Whatever the reports you're creating, based on that, you can create a dashboard. If it's right on one more point, right? Last point, joint report must have chart. Joint reports must and should have charts. Must and should have chart. Must and should have chart on report itself to be used in dashboard. On report itself to be used in dashboard. To be used in dashboard. See, one full, then like this. Perfect. Add component, whatever you want to add, right? Joint should have already a report. Copy of OPP matrix. Let me see. See, matrix report. Matrix report. You can change the report structure, right? Not sum of the amount, bracket count, Total 37 opportunities are there. It came here. So the canvas is completely yours. You can perform any type of components, but for that you need to have a report available, as I told you, right? So you need to have reports. See, by billing city, no, by stages, by stages. Or see stack. See how many components you can, n number. There is no restriction. I mean, doesn't mean that there is absolutely no restriction. Yes, but how much, whatever is required, you'll be able to build it. Perfect. Now, more to this, you have an option called as filters. Everybody clear? It's a drag and drop. That's it, guys. It's a drag and drop. Complete drag and drop. Whatever the reports you want, as per the business requirement, whatever the SLT team, senior leadership team wants to see, you can just create a report and then come here and drag and drop those reports. Make the chart as required. You want to use the report chart, you can use it. No, I want to create a new chart here. For example, you see, this is opportunity matrix. 37 opportunities are there. It's a gauge meter I'm using. Now we can say add filter. What is the add filter? Right? You can add filter based on city, billing city. Billing city. Display name is this, right? Field. Add filters. You can give where billing city is equals to, right? Let's say that I'm adding it. One minute. Add filters where billing city not equals to contains. I'll tell you what is this. Billing city contains HYD, right? Value is HYD. Display text will be HYDERA, HYDERABAD, Hyderabad. And here I will say, right? I'll say apply. Add filter. Billing city contains. You'll understand very soon what is this. What is the value? Value is Mumbai. MUMBI, Mumbai. Display is Mumbai. Apply. Add values where billing city is contains P. I will say Paris. And I say apply. And I say add. Here they will get a drop down billing city and all the choices will be visible. Standard choice. They select Mumbai, only Mumbai data will be shown. They select India, only India data will be shown. Can they put their own values? No. Whatever you put it, I gave only 3 values here. Mumbai, right? Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Paris. Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Paris. Okay, guys, you just need to give me another 2 more minutes. Okay, I'll come back. I'll go down and I'll come. Right, just give me 2 minutes. I'm stopping the recording. Meantime, you guys, if you want to discuss something, you want to, go ahead and open a WhatsApp group and you want to get into a discussion, who will open, who will not open, right? Feel free to do so. I don't mind, right? If you want, I will give you a chat rights to everyone so that everyone can see everyone, right? 1 minute, let me give you option. Attendees can chat, attendees can view the list, right? Okay. Now you guys can see each other's name. I still see that there are total, there will be 94. 20 people are still missing in the class. Okay, by the way, just to let you know. So I'll stop the recording. I'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes, right? So in between, if you want to discuss something among yourself within the group, you can do so. No problem. Okay, I'm not recording those, right?
This conference will
Listen,
now be recorded.
Okay, we are back to the class, right? So it's very simple to create a dashboard. There is no rocket science. You need to have a report before you come to the dashboard. Now, once these dashboards are created, there are only two things in dashboard: components and filters. Components are the charts that you place on the dashboard, which is completely customizable on the sizing, right? With the availability of all the right data, you can go ahead and you can create a different chart, or you can use a chart which is already there in the report. If you remember, in the report also we can create a chart. So here you can use the report chart, or you can create a new report or a new chart with the same existing report, and you can display them here on the screen. Sizing is completely on you. Sizing, what the size, what is the location, it's completely on you. Once it is done, we will click on save, right, which is already done because I gave a name there, saved, and I'll set done, and the report runs. This is the report. Here you give the choice, you see, contains Hyderabad, contains Mumbai, contains Paris, contain Hyderabad. Only Hyderabad data will be shown. See, only Hyderabad, nothing else. All the dashboard. Rupam, can I refresh one component? For example, I want the first one to be Hyderabad and the remaining one to be all. No, you cannot do that. You cannot do that. This filters will be applicable to all the components. Now I changed to Mumbai. See, small deal, big deal, large deal, right? Total 3 large deals in Mumbai, right? Total, right? How many? 1 big deal, right? Here, 1 small deal. Total number of deal is 5. Total collection 2.1 million. See, managers or senior leadership need not to open the report. They can directly see from here with these filters. Predefined filters. Can they add a filter? See, there is no add option. No, they cannot. So in a dashboard, you can add filters, you can add components. Somebody want to see this big. Here is the option called as expand full screen.
Okay.
It will show big. Yes, sir.
So can we also make this dashboard hide to specific roles?
Yeah, we will. Right?
Okay.
It can be shared to role-based sharing is there. I'm coming there. Okay.
Okay.
So you can click on this download chart. This is the best part. See that? A download button, and automatically the image gets downloaded. You don't need to take a screenshot. You can download the image. If you click on the report, it will take you to the report now. If you click on it, it will open the data behind it. What are the data behind it? It went to the report and it opened that report. It went to the report folder. You can see that. Dashboard. Already a dashboard is created, right? See, this is the dashboard we created. You click on it, it runs. That's it. And it refreshes with the latest data. All. It will show all. Any given time you want to know, I want to know this, right? 55% of my revenue. Or I want to know this green, international. Click on it. Immediately take you to the backend data. Right? What is the data behind this number? Complete details are there. See, opportunity name, super deal, amount, total amount, total amount, total amount, total this much. This is how you create a dashboard. This is how you create a dashboard. Any question on creating a dashboard and using it? Should be quite simple, right? This is the most easiest part in the analytics. Just coming and placing it, add filters, done. But before than that, you have to create a report, which is quite, I can say, intensive work. You have to put a lot of brain to create that report. Once you create the report, then only you'll be able to see this beautiful dashboards coming up. Right? Now, how to share this? I go to the dashboard. I go to all folders. The way you share your reports, in the similar manner, you'll be sharing your dashboards. Individual dashboard cannot be shared with the users. You have to share only using folders. SLT, Lightning dashboard. It's a folder. I click on it. There's an option called share. I want to share with only VPs. Take roles. Role-based sharing. Only VPs. Vice President. VP Marketing. VP Sales. Only view or edit. Only view. Share. It got added. Currently, Rupam can delete, Rupam can edit, Rupam can do anything because manage is there. If I give an edit, they can edit, but they cannot delete the reports. They cannot do much thing. They can only change something here and there, the data piece and everything. Other than this, they cannot do anything. So like this, you'll share. Now say that whoever you give VP marketing automatically will get this dashboard in their screen. Whenever they click on dashboard, it will be visible to them, the dashboard that we created. This is how you share. You can share with a role. You can share with a role and subordinate. That means I want to share everyone and everyone below. You can share with a group. You can create a public group. In a user, you know that we can create a group. From a group, we created a queue. Now, same group can be used to give a dashboard. You can create set of managers, right? And you can go ahead and you can share with them. You can share with individual users. There is search. Right? I click on done. This is how the report sharing is done. Sorry, dashboard sharing is done. Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions, doubts, anything?
Sir, is there any significant difference between report sharing and the dashboard sharing, sir? No, right?
No, there is no difference. Both are same. But only thing is that they're in different folders.
Yeah.
That's it.
And
Otherwise,
Rupam can add 12 reports, right, in a dashboard?
no. 12 is the maximum width. 12 column is the maximum width. Doesn't mean that you
Okay.
can put only 12. You can put n.
Okay.
Right? I believe you can put about 100.
Okay.
Right? We never put 100. Maximum it will be 8, 9. Not more
So
than 10.
here what's a 12, sir? I mean, what's the measurement? I mean,
The screen is divided, right? In Lightning, you see your laptop screen, your Windows screen. Your Windows screen is divided into 12 columns.
okay.
12 columns. That's it. Whatever from your left side of your laptop to the right side of your laptop, if you see, right, how will you measure? So they have come with a column concept. They have
Okay,
divided the Windows screen into 12 blocks,
Okay.
12 column blocks,
It is specific to Salesforce.
only specific to Salesforce.
Yeah.
Perfect. Right. Any other questions, guys? Before I move to the next topic. Now, will you be doing this exercise in Classic? Same thing in Classic. Or you want me to walk me through? A quick. Okay, let me give you quick. Same thing. It will not take more than 2 minutes. Right? Here, same thing, dashboard. I go to the dashboard. See, the SLT dashboard comes in. But here you see that the size have gone. I told you. In Classic, you cannot, you have a specific size. You cannot size them as you want. In Classic, you cannot size them as you want. That is only, there's a couple of limitations in Classic. Otherwise, everything is same. Everything is same. Only thing is that you cannot size them as you want. Right? In Classic, to create a dashboard, right, you have to go to the reports. Reports, there is a new dashboard option. But in Lightning, dashboard is available in dashboard. In Classic, to create a dashboard, you have to come to report and you have to click on new dashboard. Same thing. No thanks. Here, first you drag and drop the graphs. How many graphs you want? I want these, I want these, I want these, I want these, right? I want a line. Positions are fixed. Sizes are fixed. You cannot have size. You can give footer, you can give header, you can type something in footer. Once the size is done, once your dragging and dropping is done, now come to data source. You can create from reports and Visualforce. We don't have any Visualforce. You can create, right? See, report Lightning 888. Keep dragging. That's it. Like this, right? You cannot build a chart with a tabular or something. Maybe the name is tabular, but we might have overwritten with something else. See, like this. All the reports are visible. Sales report 999. See, these are the reports that you created. Opportunity sum to right. See, I'm dragging and dropping. Everything I'm dragging and dropping only. Just drag and drop. Whichever report you created, drag and drop. It's a drag and drop only. You didn't like the report, for example. Can I edit it? Yes, there is an option. Here is edit attributes. Click on it. You can change. You can give a range colors, right? What to what range? 1 is stand for what, 2 stand for what. So the percentages. You can customize this. You can go ahead and you can say what report you want. If you don't like this report, you can change it from here also. You can change it like this. Show values. Enable hover. But the only thing is that you can't drag and drop the size. Size are fixed. Rupam, do you have a filter here? Yes, you do. Same thing, right? Add filters. Whatever we did that. You can type the name, city, and you can add the rows here. Filter, right? Filter, right? By cities. What filter you want? I want by city. Display, billing city, or you can change it. Billing big deals or whatever the label you want. Now the same thing, where equals to, right? Equals to, right? Or contains. You can start giving the value. Mumbai. And here the label will be called as MUMBAI, Mumbai. Add rows. Same thing. What I did there, I'm doing it here. Contains what? HYD. On the screen, the value will be printed as HYD, RABAD. Like this, you can predefine filters. Click OK. Filters will come like this. See, contains Mumbai, contains. If you click on it, Mum, it'll show. Mum means Mumbai. Same thing. Whatever we did in Lightning, similar is available in Classic. Save as SLT dashboard 2. Where do you want to show? There's a Lightning folder. I want to save there. Save. Done. Now I'll click on close. I'll say save and close. Perfect. See, from here I can select SLT1, SLT2. See, two dashboards. SLT dashboard, the one which we created in Lightning, if you remember. The one which we created now is SLT dashboard 2. Same thing. Billing city, Mumbai. It will start displaying Mumbai data. How many customers are there in the Mumbai? Predefined filters. Predefined filters. Hyderabad. Refresh. It will refresh the latest data. See, it's showing only Hyderabad data. Hyderabad, Hyderabad, only Hyderabad. Because you have given a filter Hyderabad. Clear filters, it will show all. Predefined filters you can give. same thing what you did in Lightning, it's same here. The only difference is that the size cannot be adjusted, whereas in Lightning, size can be adjusted. In Lightning, they looks very precise, very neat and clean. That's the only difference. Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions? We had almost 3 classes in analytics. Anybody has any questions?
So we can't able to filter different.
No, you cannot. It will be applicable to all. I cannot have the first row to be Hyderabad and second row to be all so that I can compare. I know that. No, you cannot do that. That's a limitation. So filter will be applicable to all the components if you apply the filter. You cannot have a selective components to be applied. The filter application cannot be done in selective components. Perfect. Shall I move to the next topic? That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
Right. Now the next topic is your communication. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to complete or not, but anyhow, let's go ahead and see. Right? Communication management. Put a heading called as communication management. Right? Communication management. Now, whenever a new customer comes, you want to welcome. Whenever a case is registered, you want to inform your customer saying that, thank you for contacting us. Your case has been registered with the case number 1013 and the case title is this. Our team will call you back within 48 hours. In case you need any assistance, please contact our customer care at this, or you can write us at this. I want some official emails. A new customer joined. I want to send them a welcome email. Welcome to Apollo Hospital. Welcome to SpiceJet. Welcome. Right? And automatically system will send the email. We will see this all automation later. I don't want a sales to type their own email. Welcome, sir. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? No. It's my company brand. I want to be very precise on colors, the mails that goes out, the wordings. In real time, this is one of the easiest and most required tasks called communication management. When you go ahead and search in Naukri.com, you'd be able to see somewhere it will be a couple of jobs details will show communication, Salesforce communication. They're not talking about your communication. They are talking about a topic called as communication management. How will you manage communication between employees to employees? How will you manage communication between employee to a customer, a business to a customer, some official communication, right? We do it with the help of communication management, right? You want to send a marketing email. I want to design a colorful email. Where you can design those colorful emails? We all do in the place called as email, right? So write down communication management. First one, right? Organization, communication, templates. Put a heading called as organization, communication, templates. Organization, communication, template, right? If I'm not able to complete the topic today, then we will complete half and Monday again I'll repeat from the scratch, because anyhow today I see that we have almost about 19 missing from the class. They might not have read the.
So then better start on Monday separately. Why do you want to repeat again?
That's also a good idea.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Not able to understand, ma'am. Sorry, can you repeat that?
What I mean is, shall we start this topic on Monday and discuss the pending topic of
Sure,
event?
then. Sure. No problem. Right? Somebody told no, we'll start on Monday. Let's start
Yes,
on
sir.
Monday. Fresh day, fresh topic. It's very good
Yes,
and
sir.
very important, very interesting. Going
Yes, sir.
forward, classes will be all part of your job requirement, right? That you have been doing or you will be doing in the real time. Okay.
Sir,
So by the way, yes, please.
Yeah, sir. I mean, just I'm curious to know. I mean, by this time, can I assume that 50 or 60% of admin topics are covered, or
Yeah. Yes.
this is the question?
Yes.
So, okay, sir. Yeah.
50% done. 50% done, I can say.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
In the next 3 weeks,
Okay.
will be very robust and fast, and all the main topics are covered only in these 3 weeks.
Okay, sir.
Whatever you have been doing is, if you talk about interview, it's 20%. 20 to 25% of your interview will be done on whatever we covered. Whatever we are going to cover in the next 3 weeks will consist of your 75% of your interview.
Okay, sir.
That means this is the time where you should be in the class. In the past, if you have bunked, that's okay, still manageable. Going forward, if you miss one day class, next day class will be chukkal. I'm telling you, it'll be all skies and stars. So be careful. Right? All the topics will be linked to each other. You create something today, after 2 days, I will use that in somewhere else. So it's something like this. It's a dependency. One to each other dependency will start. If you miss one dependency in the chain, then you'll not be able to understand from where it came. Based on dependency, I'll create one more dependency. And then by the time you understand, it'll be over. So make sure that you all guys are present. Okay, by the way, I believe somebody I asked to go ahead and present how to link activity data, activity with a contact is,
You,
I believe,
yes, Rupam, you asked me to tell like how.
Rupali. You're ready
Fine.
or not ready? It's
Yes,
completely
I'm
on you.
ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yeah.
Wow, see, super girl. So let's find me Rupali in this list. Okay, the list is quite smaller, right? Rupali Gupta. Okay. So where you are located, Rupali?
Sorry,
Location.
sorry, Rupam. Hello.
From where are
I'm
you?
yeah, I'm in Texas.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, I gave you the presentation, right? You have a complete presentation right now. So
Okay.
you are the faculty and I am the student now. Okay, so it is the right time. If you want to scold me, you can do so.
No, you are a very good trainer. I'm so happy with you. I'm blessed to have you actually. I feel blessed.
Completely my pleasure. But I'm not that good as you are praising me.
No. Seriously, I mean, when I joined, I asked you so many times that I will be able to do it or not, but you made me feel like no, you will be able, and now I'm feeling that I can do it.
Same in the programming. When we'll come to the programming, I assure you that if you have not written a programming in your life, not even a one piece, not even one alphabet, you will learn programming with me like anything, and you will be master of programming. That guarantee I can give you. Right?
Yeah.
Anyhow, that is not the time to go ahead and talk about
Right.
it.
So
So the
can you
session
see my
is yours
desktop,
now.
Rupam?
Yes, we can. Go ahead.
Yeah. So actually, you gave the we create the contact and how that we add one activity to many contacts, right?
Correct.
So as you told, so I made a contact and I added it with the LWC demo class. So after that, what I did, I went to setup and again, and then I searched sale over there in the searching bar, and then I went to this activity setting. Yeah. And I then let me share. Then I enable multiple I think multiple users with one activity.
Correct. So the first step, guys, whenever this is the second piece of homework she's showing, I gave the homework into two. One contact, multiple activities. Sorry, multiple contact, multiple activities. First homework. Second homework, multiple contact, one activity. Whenever you want to have a multiple contact, one activity, you need to come here and you need to enable the settings, right? You need to go ahead and enable, right? So which setting is that? Did you enable? Here you see that allow users to
Contacts, yeah,
relate multiple contact to a task and event.
and
You see
events.
that is been checked. Once checked, you cannot uncheck it. You cannot. Only the Salesforce team can enable. Okay, go ahead.
So then when I go back to that LWC demo class, so as you can see, whatever name I'm typing, it's adding that.
Okay, that's good. There's a. Mhm.
And then
So
I even clicked on single name. So what you were saying that Salesforce ID should be the same. So that's the same thing. Like when I clicked on Angela Farrell or Isha Singhal, whatever name I'm clicking on. So on the top, the Salesforce ID was the same.
okay,
So
that's
that's
good.
all. That's all I
That's how
did.
you add it. Okay.
Yes.
So she did in a smarter way, where
Okay.
she went and created an activity, and in the name she added multiple contacts. Now the same thing, right? You can do with a data loader, right?
Yeah, if we
You
have more
have,
contact, it would be difficult, right, sir?
it will be more difficult. Yes.
Yeah.
See
If I
here,
want to
5,
use
6,
1,000
5,
users,
6
yeah.
is okay. 5, 6,
Yeah.
10, 20, 15 is okay. But if I want to send an mark, I want to have a demo and I want to send it to 500 people, then it'll be quite difficult for you, right? That's where you will go with the loading, data loading, right? This is a good one. I mean, you can do in this way also. You can see that she's creating a demo and she is adding all the contacts one by one, which is perfectly fine. Serves the purpose of the homework. But I'm expecting a little bit more here where you have to do with the help of a data loader, right? That's good,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Rupali, right? That's
Okay.
good.
Yeah.
The graphical
Thank you.
part is good. So as soon as she hits a save, one demo class will be assigned to this 7 contacts. It's the same. If you open the LWC demo class, you will see it will have a same ID. That means if you change the date in the LWC demo class for all the 7, the date will be changed. For all the same, right? Date will be changed, right? Because multiple contacts, one event or one task, right? Multiple contact, one event or task. Homework 1, multiple contact, multiple events. If you create multiple contact, multiple event with the same name, then you have to go ahead and change in every event because every event is linked to one contact. So if you create 10 contacts, then 10 events will be created. That means you have to make changes to 10 events. But here, multiple contacts, single event. You change in one, the date, for example, you move the date from 30th to something else, or everybody's right. What do you call it? Will be the demo will be changed. And by the way, this is a good example. As soon as you change the date, we want immediately an email to go out. See, communication management. We are extremely apologies that your date has been changed and the demo class will now be conducted on 2nd of August. See, communication management, practical use. Where I can use my communication, the topic which I was about to start today or we'll start on Monday. Now you're able to see. An automatic email has to go to all these 7 people because their dates were changed. Right? Perfect. Now, who will take up? By the way, claps for, right, Rupali. She's the second candidate, both girls. Right?
Thank you so much. Thank
Nice,
you.
Rupali. Nice, Rupali.
All,
Wow.
Thank you.
all my boys are sitting in the back bench. I know that they're all back benches.
But आपका इधर नाम में एक भी लड़का नहीं है यार.
That is what I'm telling you. You all are back benches. Right? So, guys, who want to take up this task to go ahead and show me through data loader? Same thing through data loader. Anyone? I see Surya has done. So Surya, would you like to walk everyone? Sorry, Surya.
I have it done with the data loader, multiple contacts, one activity.
Perfect. That's exactly what I need. Can you show coming Monday or Tuesday?
Sure, sir.
Right. Monday, I don't think it will be possible because Monday I'll be on the communication management. So maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, I can give you that. Right.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So I believe you need 15-20 minutes because you have to prepare the Excel sheet, right? You have to upload the contacts first. I'm expecting you to do from the scratch. That means first you will upload a contact, then you will create an activity. I mean, you'll go and enable the activity setting. Then you'll create an activity. Then you'll take the ID. Then you'll create another template with contact ID and activity ID, who ID and date. And then you will go ahead and upload it. That's what the step I'm expecting. Correct?
Yes.
Perfect. So we will do it on Tuesday or Wednesday, okay? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Guys, come up. I mean, see, I mean, this is the way you can, kill your fear, or you can go ahead and, right, you can have what you call your confidence to be increased on the subjects. Every week, I'll give you two topics. Every week going forward. We'll start from the communication management, where you'll give two topics. Right? Now, this week topic. Anybody would like to walk, right? Matrix and summary report. One, you can choose. Rupam, give me 5 minutes. I'll walk on matrix report, summary report, including charts in it. Any volunteers?
Today or Monday? When we are
Next week,
supposed
next week. So you will have a time, don't worry.
on Monday.
Not Monday. Monday I'll start communication management, so it will take time. So,
Okay.
Wednesday or Thursday? Next Wednesday or Thursday?
Okay.
Yeah,
You want
Rupam,
to take
I
it?
will take summary.
Diksha Tiwari. I'll give it to Diksha Tiwari. And I heard even Amir. Right?
Yeah.
So Diksha, what do you want to take? You want to take the matrix or you want to take the summary?
Summary.
Okay, you want to take the summary report. Perfect. Amir, you want to take the matrix?
Even I want to take summary.
Okay. Who want to take the matrix?
I will take it. Matrix.
Wow, Smita. Good. Somebody please note the name. I'm sorry, right? If somebody remembers or maintain this list, right? Any one of you who would maintain the list and keep reminding me, hey Rupam, this week we have two presentation, right? Weekly twice only. Okay. So Smita and what is the other name? Diksha Tiwari. Amir, I'll give you next time. Okay. So many topics are there. Don't worry. Right. See, let's the girl rule. They are always honored, privileged. We need to honor them.
Women empowerment.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yep. So no, they deserve it actually, to be open and frank. So it's not about any other reservation or something like that. They really deserve it. We need to honor them. Right. So Diksha and Smita, it will be next week, Thursday and Friday. Right, whichever day you choose, any one of you. Right. Summary and matrix you have to show to the class, so that will be a revision for others. Right. And meantime, in between, if you have any doubts, you can ask, so that you will have one more opportunity to ask doubts. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you. I'll stop here.
Thank you, Rupam. Thank you
Meet
so
on
much.
Monday. Right.
Thank you, sir. Have
Happy
a nice
weekend,
day.
sir.
Happy
Happy
weekend.
weekend. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you, Rupam.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone. Thank you, sir.